Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me. Today I've got a live unboxing of 70.5 Camaro Z28 AMT 125 scale. Got this one at Hobby Lobby. Oh, that's a nice shot there. Love the 70.5 Z28 Camaro. That was one of my dream cars right there. This one here has skill level 2, paint and glue required, and over 100 parts. This ought to be a quick build when the time comes. We're going to go ahead and tear into this one. Not much info on the back. Let's see what we got here. Well, you guessed it. Battery gremlin strikes again. Gotta love it. Batteries aren't lasting nowhere near as long as they used to when they were new. Let's tear right up into this one then. Wow, molded in yellow. Oh, really? Molded in orange. Got a really limited chrome parts tree here. Excuse me. Grill. I don't even have to open this bag up. Grill. Looks like bumpers. Bumper guards for the rear. Nope. That's sure what they look like, the bumper guards. We'll check that out. Here's the grill, shifter, and that's it. Here's the windshield, which of course I'll leave in the bag to protect it. The rear window, and the headlights, and the split bumper turn signals. Here's the rear lights, lenses, 4 vinyl tires. I'll go ahead and open those. Unbranded. They look like polyglass tires. The box art has got something scribbled on them, but I can't really make it out. It looks like just a mess there. Whoever did that one. So we got 4 of those. This one here looks like it's been riding uneven wear. It's 1, 2, 3 bags of orange parts. Right here we have the body. Go ahead and tear into that. Almost looks like the 68 GTO front end there for a second. A little bit of flashing going on there. Some definite mold release on there. We'll definitely have to clean that one up. That's a beautiful looking body though. It's one of my favorite years of Camaros. Not much to the interior. Guess we'll have side panels in there somewhere. Some okay details on the bottom. Pretty heavy detail. Set that aside. There's the rear end. Got a little bit of discoloration there from the mold. No biggie. Of course, we're going to paint it. Got a nice subframe, just like the real vehicle. Pretty cool. Lower valance, it looks like here. Nope, that would be, well, that must be the lower rear valance, and that's the lower front one. And the spoiler. which is period correct. Spoiler on the 70.5 Camaro was the small one, just like the 69 Camaro. In 71, they went to the taller one with the two side pieces that were separate. Whereas this one only went, here I'll show you. This style spoiler only went across the rear of the vehicle and came up completely with the trunk lid when it was open. The later versions were split here and here, so you'd have three pieces of a spoiler and only the centerpiece would lift with the trunk, and the other two were attached to the sides of the vehicle. Here's the rear end. Looks like a 12 bolt. Mirrors, leaf springs, drive shaft, tiny little steering column there, shock absorbers, and the hood. The hood looks nice. Console, front suspension, seat backs, and seat fronts, backs of the front seats. That's where I was going with that. Upper control arms. I believe these little deals here are for the wheels. They fit inside of here. Ooh, they got the nice rally. Oh, they had a special name for them wheels. I don't remember it off the top of my head, but those were the ones that everybody wanted in the day. A couple of radiator hoses. In the next bag. We have the back seat, which is all one piece with a package tray attached. Side panels for the interior. Sway bar. Steering wheel. Another rear end. Maybe you can make this a four-wheel drive. Interesting. I think I seen the rear end in here, right? Right there. Right there. Yeah. There it is. You get two rear ends with that one. That's different. Alright. Standard Z28 steering wheel. Okay. Exhaust. Air cleaner with some kind of funky thing on there. I don't know what that is. It's got one of those. I think that's going to be the radiator coolant overflow bottle, or the side of the radiator. Front steering suspension. And here's the radiator and the radiator core support all attached. Firewall, dashboard. It's a 4-speed. Comes with the brake and parking brake, clutch, regular brake, and accelerator pedal. Possibly master cylinder, oil filter, battery. Here's the brake booster and the master cylinder there. So that might be steering gearbox. Fan belt assembly, water pump, fan, carburetor, valve covers, intake, heads. This is most likely a 350 engine, oil pan, and starter. Pretty nice. Let's see what we get for decals. They're covered up. Hold on just a second. Oh, nice. Got the SS stripes. California plate. Chevy white. Camaro in the black. And that's about it, eh? Got Z28 for the side emblem badges and some dash speedometer gauge package stickers there, decals. Very nice. Save you trouble on having to tape those out to paint them, so I'm glad to see that they're included. Go ahead and put that back in there. Protect that. We've got instructions and Auto World flyer here. That's pretty nice. Auto World puts out some nice kits. They're the retail end, I believe, of Round 2 Model Corporation. I think. I'm not positive on that. Or they're definitely a distributor for them. I don't know if they're affiliated any other way. If you know, let me know in the comments. Here's the instructions. The instructions. Let's see. Not a lot of pieces, so there can't be much to the build. Yeah, putting the tires together and wheels together first. Engine. Putting the subframe assembly. Wow. Together. Put in your suspension, front and rear. Throw your interior together. Slap some wheels on it. Flip it upside down. Put it all together. That's a beautiful look. I can't wait to see this one. Okay, those are the front bumpers. Those pieces I thought were the bumper guards. I forgot they're the split bumper. Yep. A rear bumper. Battery decal placement. And that's all she wrote on that one. Alrighty, folks. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate it. That's the 1970 and a half Chevy Camaro Z28 by AMT. Hope you have yourselves a great day, and please like, share, and subscribe, and come on back for more fun and trivia and all kinds of good things on this channel. Have yourselves a great day. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.